mask because
Ooh, it is cold.
you will slip and fall.
It's not even that cold.
The ice is melting. Oh, we came a little too late. Literally ice. It's cold, Dada. We don't have gloves.
It's not even that cold.
Yeah, because you're covered up like that and you have a face mask. Thanks to us.
Oh, these
It is super hard.
are...
Hey, your hands are gonna get cold, Noah. We don't have gloves.
Grab something out from where it's clean, like the slide. Don't grab that on the floor.
Oh, look at this one. Okay.
Little ball man.
I got it.
You're gonna do a snow angel? No. You're gonna get all wet. If y'all had other clothes, then maybe, pero. Oh, whoa. That wind.
Don't face the wind.
Whew. Good girl. Put it inside your pocket. Look, guys, look at the trampoline. Y'all are crazy.
So, y'all still not cold?
I'm cold too.
Oh, baby, girl, you cold? You ready?
You ain't cold. Keep your hands in your pocket.
Super cold, huh? We don't have clothes for this weather.
What?
How about they go in there and jump?
Is it going all to the middle?